Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the crypto countdown campaign on Layer 3. There are 7 quests in this campaign. We have Mean Finance, Thetanuts Finance, Avantis, iZUMi, Premia, Hashflow, Jito, and you will get a legendary chest at the end of this if you complete all of them. I'm not entirely too sure exactly what these tasks have in store, but I think it's a lot of DeFi stuff on multiple chains, Solana, Arbitrum, BNB, Base, ZK Sync, and I don't know what, I think that's just across any chain. So I had a few requests for this, so I hope you are ready to dive in. But before we get started, thank you for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the cool stuff we get to learn, and all the fun rewards that we get along the way. So with that, also jump in the Discord. Link is in the description of this video. So get in there, ask your questions, and send me your video requests. So if you have an airdrop that you want to see covered, let me know. Get in the Discord. So we will see you there. But with that, we will begin our first quest. I'll keep this main page open because sometimes Layer 3 has some bugs. But crypto countdown with Mean Finance. Navigate crypto volatility with dollar cost averaging on Mean. So gradually purchase small amounts of an asset over time with dollar cost averaging and help neutralize short-term volatility in your portfolio. Mean Finance is a dollar cost average, or DCA, protocol that enables users to easily dollar cost average into any ERC20 token over a time frequency of choice. And this is good for during the bear markets, when you can just throw some money in here and say, hey, I want to buy this token over this amount of time. And you can set your parameters daily, weekly, how many days, how many weeks. You can set custom. You use either on Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism, Arbitrum, or BNB. So I think I am on maybe I'll do Arbitrum. I have a little more ETH on there. Choose network, Arbitrum. And you can select whichever one. I'm going to slowly switch over to the Rabby wallet. So this will connect. Please connect for me. Okay, I guess we need to switch back to Arbitrum. It's very strange. Yeah, a lot of these platforms still have some bugs. They're not always reliable, like Galaxy. Their platform has bugs in it. I'm gonna do $2. It doesn't say how many days. 2 days. So what I'm doing is I'm selling USDC.E, and then I want to receive Ethereum. I want to sell $2 of my USDC, and I want it to execute daily or 2 days. So we'll swap $1 for every day for you for 2 days. Okay, I have to enable at least a rate of $5. So we will do $6 over the course of 2 days. Oh, per day. Okay, never mind. We'll do $11. Or just do $6 for 1 day. There we go. And I don't want to generate yield. Because that will put you into a liquidity pool. So we're gonna allow our token allowance for USDC. And then we will swap for that token. Let's see. So we will sell our and then if you can see this little button down here, you're giving it approval. Okay. Creating your position. So there you go, view your position. Now we can, I need a new monitor. So here's your position right here. You have one swap every day, next swap is in 2 hours, and you can modify position to, so we'll verify that. And boom. Got our XP. Next up, we got Thetanuts Finance. Introduction to Thetanuts. So it's the first to market V3 architecture, uses existing basic Vault LP tokens to extend new use cases in on-chain options trading. V3 architecture enabled by a lending market and Uniswap V3 pools, all housed within a streamlined Thetanuts Finance V3 trading interface. What are the basic vaults in Thetanuts Finance V3? And I cannot zoom in on this. Why can I not zoom in on this? Weird. Okay, so basic vaults sell out of the money European cash settled options to accredited market makers and generate yields for users in the form of option premiums. The basic vault LP tokens represent fungible and transferable tokenized basic vault positions. So your position in this is in the form of LP tokens, and you can transfer it and form the backbone of all trading strategies. So in this quest, we'll be depositing BNB into the bi-weekly BNB call option, basic vaults on BNB chain. WBNB call option basic vault. Deposit WBNB in the bi-weekly vault, and we can disconnect from here. Read the terms of services. Connect, and we're going to want to connect to the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Okay, so we'll switch BNB chain right here. Make sure we okay, this is a bi-weekly call, and it doesn't say okay, I do have wrapped BNB, it looks like. So what we need to do is deposit wrapped BNB. And if you don't have wrapped BNB, you can go to Trader Joe XYZ and trade on there. You can swap on the BNB network and then look for that the wrapped BNB. Oops. Huh. So with that, we'll just do our max. Let's see if we can, because it's only like 50 cents. Yeah, we're just gonna, you can do whatever strategy you want. If you want to hold this or not. So you can select whatever call option you'd like, long or short. Just make sure you have enough funds for, make sure it's wrapped BNB. Let's see. Yeah, it has to be a call option. I thought I just approved it. So that's another thing, is that sometimes this will need to be refreshed. If you approved it once, you don't need to approve it again. And that could lead to you having to pay for multiple transactions, even though it's not a lot. It can be a like death by 1,000 cuts if you keep just doing the same approval over and over again. You lose a lot of your small change. Now look, see how it doesn't say approve anymore? Sometimes you need to, if you wait a few minutes and it still hasn't done anything, then refresh the page. Yeah, mine's taking a while today. Maybe I got too many other windows open. Oh, almost took the wrong screen off. There we go. I had too many other windows open. Is it able to verify? Oh, now it's gonna go. Okay. I said mine's super slow today for whatever reason. Okay, now that we are opening our position, it's only worth 50 cents, so I don't mind just keeping it open. Now let's see if we can verify. Yep, there we go. Now you can join their Discord or not. I'm not gonna worry about it. We can log out of here. You can do that for a small amount. 50 cents does the trick. So you're a Thetanut. We got our legendary. Got 100 XP. Next up with is Avantis. Trade crypto, commodities, and Forex. Ooh, with up to 100x leverage. If you got the balls for that on Avantis, on-chain perpetual trading protocol. They're low latency oracles powered by Pyth, which had a really nice airdrop. So keep an eye out for them. Offering optimal execution prices for traders across both DeFi and CeFi sources. Request from Avantis faucet. Request ETH and USDC from the Avantis faucet on Base. So this looks like it might be a testnet sort of thing. Just connect our wallet here. Yeah, Base Gurley testnet. If you don't have the network, then it will ask you to, it should request for you to add the network. Interesting. May need to re-add this network. Okay, this will be a good thing. So go to add networks and then go to chainlist.org and go back to your MetaMask, go to networks, look for the Base Gurley testnet, and then go back to chainlist, include testnets, and we'll do Base Gurley right here. Click this little button, and you want one of these that has good latency, well, a good score and privacy. So we're gonna copy this RPC server, right? Paste that right there. Make sure you select the chain ID, 84531, 84531, yep. So we'll save that, and we will switch to the Base. And we are on it. So there you go. And you can do that with any other network. So anyways, let's jump back in here. We're connected. Now we can do our thing. So we can request in our testnet Ethereum. We gotta select our bridges. And then select a request for USDC. Okay, now we verify. Now we make a trade with USDC on any Avantis market. Now we go to trade, and we can do let's just do whatever trade you want, market, current price, ETH. Let's go to the 1 hour and see. I'm just gonna go with the long right here. And you can set a stop loss and take profit. And then my liquidation price isn't till down here. So okay, approve. Now place order, confirm market long. That's a high take profit, man. Whoo. There we go. Here's our position. Now we can verify and repost on X. Now we can disconnect and complete this task. Quest up. iZUMi Finance. iZUMi is a next-gen multi-chain DEX that maximizes capital efficiency with an innovative automated market maker. Make a IZI swap. Perform a ZK Sync swap from ETH to any token on iZUMi Finance. We've done quite a bit with iZUMi Finance recently with the whole Manta campaigns and Mantle and Linea. We've been just killing it. Okay, ZK Sync. Switch to ZK Sync. Okay, let's see if I have any liquidity. I don't think I do. No. Okay. So, we need to switch from ETH to any token. So what do we have on here? Just swap a couple dollars of ETH, and then we can get our quest done. Let's quest it up. Boom. That's all you need to do. iZUMi, they got liquidity pools, token pools, they got farming, they got a bridge, they got all kinds of stuff. Come on now. iZUMi like that? Don't iZUMi like that? Yeah. See, you just got to refresh and then go back. Don't be worried. Oh, sweet. Yeah. A new achievement unlocked. Let's go. Next up is Premia. On Arbitrum. Premia is an innovative platform for decentralized options trading on Arbitrum. Currently, ARB token incentives on Premia aim to boost options trading liquidity on the platform. Make sure you have enough funds on Arbitrum to deposit onto Premia. If you don't, open the bridge and deposit there. But deposit into a vault. Deposit into a Premia vault on the Arbitrum network. Now let's disconnect from here. I'm going to go ahead and swap my network right now to Arbitrum. It's so beautiful outside. I need to go get some sun. Time to go take down the decorations out in the front yard. Okay, we are in Arbitrum. Now deposit into a Premia vault. So let's check it out. So let's see ARB USDC. I'm just gonna do this ARB USDC. So make sure you have some Arbitrum. I'll just put 2.6 in here. It doesn't say how much you need to have. Give it your spending cap. And then we'll make our deposit. So, sure it all looks good. Okay, there's our amount. Here's your position, size. Now that is complete. So just put a small amount of Arbitrum in there. You don't need a lot, just so you don't lose more than you really want. You want to do the small amount if there's no requirement. That way you risk a little bit, only a small amount. But next up is Hashflow. Hashflow is a multi-chain decentralized exchange that enables users to trade digital assets on leading blockchains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, BNB, Optimism, Polygon, and Solana in just a matter of seconds. Hashflow 2.0, the protocol's most recent upgrade, leverages an intent-based smart order routing architecture to offer traders the best prices. An intent-based smart order routing. Interesting. To access over 8 billion in liquidity and the ability to trade every token. As part of Hashflow 2.0, users will be able to trade SOL natively without the risk of and hassle of bridges. Once the integration is live, you can simply connect your existing Solana wallet and start trading SOL instantly. Nice. So swap any token via Hashflow on Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, Arbitrum, or OP. Looks like I've done this before. Maybe it'll give you credit. So just come in here and yeah, connect your wallet. And once you're connected, you can sell ETH for wrapped ETH and sell it back. So just swap it. If you want to swap it back and forth, you can do that. But once you're swapped, you can complete that. And I believe last up, right? Last up is Jito. Yes. Crypto countdown with Jito. Jito Labs enables Solana liquid staking with its MEV-powered pool and non-custodial platform. Stake any amount of SOL via Jito using Phantom Wallet. Okay, it looks like I haven't staked any on Jito. I thought I did. But let's check it out. Let's check it out. Let me get in my Phantom. Let's connect here. Oh, I did, and then okay. I did, and then I took it out. So scroll down, and you can put however much you want. There is no minimum requirement. Boom, boom. Transaction submitted. Oh, you can't see it because it's right here. And where's the transactions? Okay. Looks like, oh, see, okay. I thought I had some more. I staked my soul. I staked my soul. Oh man, that sounds bad. You don't want to stake your soul. And there we go. Didn't think it was gonna take it there for a minute. So it looks like we got about 0.46 Jito Soul. So that's cool. We're gonna keep that for potential future incentives. But there we go. Crypto countdown. Boom. Done. Now let's get this last chest and claim our reward. A little NFT action, 300 XP. That's what's up. And we get this cool little guy right here, Crypto Countdown. Boom, boom. Moving. We're moving. That was nice. Nice little DeFi action across different ecosystems, and even a testnet, which we haven't really done anything on testnets in a while. There's not a whole lot happening with testnets right now, but yeah, Jito's an important one to keep your eye on. And yeah, I hope you had fun with this. But if you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, or jump in the Discord and ask them there, and I'll be happy to help. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day. Peace.